Hey friends, I hope you're all doing great out there in the USA, whether you're chilling at home, hustling at work, or just scrolling through YouTube between classes. If you've clicked on this video, don't even think about skipping it, because this one might just save you from making costly credit card mistakes and could even help you earn some serious rewards along the way. Today, we're diving into the amazing benefits of the Amex Gold card, but not in a boring way. We're going to break it down in a fun, easy, and clear style, so even if you've never owned a credit card before, you'll feel confident by the end of this video. And hey, if you're a student, especially college or university girls watching this, stick around because I've got some special info for you too that could seriously work in your favor. This channel is here for you, built with tons of effort just to help you out, so please take a second and hit that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. And if you got any questions about credit cards, banking, or rewards, drop them in the comments, and I promise I'll reply as soon as possible. This is your own space. Come back anytime, ask anything. This channel is here to guide you like a friend. So now that you've already clicked on the video, don't leave halfway. Watch till the end, because some of these benefits might genuinely surprise you. Let's get into it. In 2024, there are 47.5 million credit cards issued by American Express in the United States. It's 7 times less than Visa's. Does it mean these cards aren't for everyone? What are the benefits of American Express Gold credit cards? We explain everything in this article. 1. Rewards program. First of all, the Amex Gold Card Rewards program is pretty generous. It provides a substantial welcome offer once they spend $6,000 on specific purchases throughout the first 6 months of card membership. New cardholders can receive 90,000 membership rewards points. Moreover, you can earn points while shopping, paying for gas, or referring the card to family and friends. Members earn 4x points at restaurants and grocery stores in the United States, 3x on flights reserved through airlines or Amex Travel, and 1x on other qualifying purchases. They can use these bonuses to transfer to various hotel and airline reward programs or redeem them for statement credits, travel, or gift cards. You'll get the most Amex Gold Card benefits from sending points to Delta Sky Miles, Singapore Airlines Kris Flyer, and Air France KLM Flying Blue. 2. Dining and grocery rewards. Biggest reasons why people love the Amex Gold card. It's all about massive rewards on dining and groceries, and this one is seriously impressive. If you're someone who eats out often, grabs coffee, picks up takeout, or dines at restaurants with friends or family, this card gives you a powerful 4x membership rewards points at restaurants worldwide, including takeout and delivery in the US. That's not just for fancy dining either. Even your regular pizza night, sushi order, or morning bagel run can earn serious points. And it doesn't stop there. Because Amex Gold also gives you 4x points at US supermarkets on up to $25,000 per year in purchases. That's a huge deal, especially with rising grocery costs. Whether you're shopping for your weekly family meals, grabbing healthy snacks, or stocking up on essentials as a student living on a budget, this card turns your everyday grocery runs into powerful point-earning opportunities. To put it into perspective, if you spend around $500 a month on groceries and $300 on dining, you're looking at thousands of points just from living your normal life. And those points, you can redeem them for flights, gift cards, statement credits, or even transfer them to travel partners for big trips. It's like being rewarded just for eating and living. This benefit alone can make the annual fee worth it, especially if you're smart with how you spend. Every cardholder gets Amex Gold benefits for meals through dining credits up to $120 per year. Every month you don't utilize these credits, they lose value because they can't be carried over. Only orders made at Grubhub, The Cheesecake Factory, Goldbelly, Wine.com, Milk Bar, and certain Shake Shack spots are eligible for the meal credits, but there's more to it. Additionally, customers get up to $120 in Uber Cash yearly, which they can spend on Uber Eats or Uber rides within the country. They can't be rolled over and are distributed as $10 statement credits every month. 3. Travel benefits. There are no international transaction fees in addition to 3x membership rewards points on scheduled flights, making it an ideal choice for international tourists. Benefits of Amex Gold also include secondary insurance for auto rentals, a credit of $100 towards the hotel collection experience, baggage, and travel delay insurance. When you use the card to pay for your rental car, you receive secondary insurance against 5. Purchase Protections. American Express Purchase Protection covers destruction or theft for up to 90 days after the payment date. Each qualified purchase can receive up to $10,000 in coverage, and each qualifying card can receive up to $50,000 in compensation annually. Perhaps one of the most significant American Express Gold Card benefits is the opportunity to receive a maximum of $500 in compensation in the case of a natural disaster, protecting your hard-earned money. At Purchase Protections with the Amex Gold Card. This is the kind of feature that doesn't get much attention but becomes a total lifesaver when things go wrong. Let's say you bought something new, maybe a phone, a smartwatch, or even a pair of designer shoes, and just a few days later it gets stolen or accidentally damaged. Most people would assume they're just out of luck, but not Amex Gold cardholders. With Amex Purchase Protection, your eligible purchases are covered for up to 90 days from the purchase date against theft or accidental damage. And this protection can cover you for up to $1,000 per item, with a maximum of $50,000 per year. That's real coverage for real people in real situations. Imagine you drop your new headphones 2 days after buying them and they stop working. Or someone steals your backpack at the airport with new items inside. Or your child accidentally cracks your new iPad screen at home. If you paid using your Amex Gold Card, you may be able to get reimbursed or covered for the loss without having to go through your homeowner's insurance. This gives you peace of mind with every swipe, and you don't need to do anything special. Just use your card when making purchases. It automatically activates the protection on eligible items. Plus, this coverage works not only in the US, but also when shopping abroad, making it even more valuable for travelers and online shoppers. And what if you buy something and the store refuses to take it back, but it's still in good condition? That's where return protection can also come into play on eligible purchases. In some cases, Amex may refund the item even if the seller won't. Now think about how many times stores have strict return policies or just say no after the return window closes. This is Amex stepping in as your backup. The goal here is simple: give you confidence when you spend, knowing your purchases are protected, whether it's a birthday gift, a laptop for school, or a holiday shopping spree. You're not alone if things go wrong. This benefit doesn't just save you money, it saves stress, arguments, and regret. And that's why it's a real hidden gem of the Amex Gold Card. You're not just earning rewards, you're getting real-world safety nets every time you use your card. Just make sure to always keep your receipts, register high-value purchases, and read the fine print for exclusions, because some items like perishables or certain electronics may not qualify. But overall, this is a powerful benefit that turns your Amex Gold Card into a true protector of your everyday lifestyle. 6 extra perks. Benefit number 6 is a collection of underrated gems. Additional perks that quietly add real value to your life when you carry the Amex Gold Card. First up, let's talk about the $120 dining credit. If you love food, this is a bonus you don't want to ignore. Amex gives you up to $10 per month in statement credits when you use your Gold Card at select partners like Grubhub, The Cheesecake Factory, Goldbelly, Wine.com, and more. That's $120 a year just for ordering your favorite meals or desserts using the card. And it works seamlessly. Just enroll once and use your card at participating merchants. Simple. Then comes the $120 Uber Cash perk. Yes, this one is for real. When you add your Amex Gold Card to your Uber account, you automatically get $10 in Uber Cash each month, usable for Uber rides or Uber Eats in the US. Whether you're commuting, going out, or ordering food late at night, this adds up to another $120 per year in value. Combine the dining and Uber credits, and that's $240 back annually, enough to cover the card's annual fee if you use them wisely. Now let's talk about exclusive access. With Amex Gold, You get early access and pre-sale tickets to concerts, theater events, and major sports games through American Express experiences. That's front row opportunities before the general public even gets a chance. And if you travel, you get access to the hotel collection. Book a stay of 2 nights or more through Amex Travel and enjoy perks like room upgrades when available and a $100 experience credit at select hotels. It's perfect for quick getaways or business trips with style. And here's a tech perk that's growing in popularity: Amex Offers. Just log into your account, check the deals, and add them to your card. You'll see personalized savings for shopping, dining, travel, and subscriptions. These change regularly and can earn you extra rewards or money back, sometimes 10%, 20%, or more. It's like